Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll walk you through the quickest way to clear your entire call history on Telegram's desktop app using the latest update. Whether you're tidying up your logs or prioritizing privacy, these steps will help you reset your call history in just a few clicks. Start by launching the Telegram app on your PC. If you haven't updated to the newest version yet, take a moment to do so. This ensures you're following the most current process. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked vertically. This is the main menu button. Click it to open the navigation panel. From here, find and select the Calls option in the menu. This will take you to a dedicated page where all your incoming, outgoing, and missed calls are logged. You'll notice the list is organized chronologically, with timestamps for each entry. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of this window. There's an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is your settings shortcut. Click it to reveal a drop-down menu. Among the options listed, choose Clear All. A confirmation prompt will immediately appear, asking if you're sure about deleting every call record. Telegram gives you 2 choices here: delete for me or delete for everyone. If you only want to remove the history from your own device, select the first option. To erase the logs for both you and the other participants in the calls, pick the second. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible, so double-check your selection. Once you've confirmed, the app will process your request. Depending on how many calls are in your history, this might take a moment. When it's done, the calls page will refresh, and you'll see a blank slate. No more old logs cluttering your view. That's it. Your call history is now fully cleared. This feature is perfect for maintaining a clean interface or safeguarding your privacy, especially if you share your device. Remember, Telegram's updates often refine these tools, so stay tuned for even smoother workflows in the future. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides that simplify your tech life.